Hello people, welcome again to this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to create a rolling object animation to enhance your brand. So how to do that, we need to go to collaborate two applications, which are the Instagram and the CapCut. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your photo library and you just need to find the picture that you want to add later. So here I would like to try to add this object. So you just need to cut out this object by go click and hold the object, and there will be an option pop up like this, and then you just need to go click copy. The next thing you need to do is just go back into your home screen and open your Instagram application. And in this Instagram application, you just need to open your Instagram camera or Instagram story sections. And the next thing you need to do is just go open your photo library. Make sure that you have this green screen on your phone, so you just need to go click it. The next thing you need to do is just go click this text and go click this cursor, and there will be pop up this option, and go click paste. Now we just need to adjusting the size and the position. So I will like to make it vertically, so I would like to do this multiple times into this vertical, and then you just need to do the same. Click this alphabet, click the cursor and click paste, and then you just need to like adjusting the size and the positions, and so on and so on. Okay, I promise you this is the last object that I would like to add into this background. Make it like precisely perfectly organized here. Yeah, it will be like take a bit of time, please be patient. Okay, and whenever you're done, you just need to save this picture by go click these three small dots and go click save. The next thing you need to do is just go back into your home screen and open your CapCut application. Wait until the CapCut perfectly open, and then you just need to go click this new project and go click library, and then you just need to open your background, and you just need to add the background that you want to have here, and you just need to go click add. The next thing you need to do is adjusting the duration. I will like to make the durations up to like 9 or 10 seconds probably. And the next thing you need to do, adding the overlay, you need to go back and please find these tools, go click it and go click this add overlay. Just pick the photo section and add the picture, and then you just need to go click add. Make sure that you fill all of this side with the picture, so you just need to like pinch with two of your finger until it's fulfilling the frame. And the next thing you need to do, adjusting this duration of the overlay so that they will be like fulfilling the whole side of the clip. Perfect. And then now the next thing we need to do is removing the background. We need to find the remove PG over here, go click it, and please go click this chroma key, and then you just need to pick the color. Make sure that you pick the green one and click this intensity, and right after that you just need to drag this point into the middle part until the green screen is removed. Perfect. And then you just need to go click this checklist button. So this is the main step, which is make this object moving. How to do that? You just need to go make this straight lines is standing in the beginning of the overlay clip, and then you just need to go back first. Okay, and whenever the straight line is already in the beginning of the clip, the next thing you need to do is just go click this add keyframe. But before you click this add keyframe, make sure that this picture is slide down until they disappeared. And then you just need to go click this plus button and make the straight line is standing in the end of the clip. And then you just need to drag the clip into the upper side. Right, and then here is the result. So your product will like remove from the upper side into the down side.